Okay, so today we'll do the most important theorem, that is angle subtended by the same arc at the center and at any point on the circle. Okay, so this theorem is very important. So see the statement, what does it say? The degree measure of an arc of a circle is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the alternate segment of the circle with respect to the arc. Or in other way, you can call it that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point in alternate segment. Means to say, here the arc is PQ, so it subtends the angle at center, that is POQ, and it subtends an angle at the circle, that is at point R, that is the angle is P, angle PRQ. So it says that angle POQ means angle at the center is twice of the angle at the point of the circle. Okay, so this is, now you have to prove it. So for proving, it has been a construction. So what is that? Join RO, okay, RO, and produce it to point M. So M is a point on the circle. So now recall the previous knowledge, that is exterior angle property of a triangle. So we have to begin it from here. So it is angle POM, okay, angle POM. So POM, you have to consider it, I mean to say that you have to consider PRO as a triangle. PRO as a triangle. Okay, hide this part. Look for only triangle PRO. Then you can consider that RO side is extended. Okay, extended to the point M. Then angle POM. POM is an exterior angle, so it will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, that is angle OPR and angle ORP. Okay, so that is here. So it is written in clear language. Similarly, angle POM can be written as angle ORP plus ORP, because we know that OPR and ORP are the equal angles. As you can see clearly that triangle ORP is an isosceles triangle. As we know that OP and OR are the radii of the circles, so we know that radii are same. So it is obviously an isosceles triangle. So OR and OP are equal sides. So angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. We have studied in the triangle chapter. So recall the all previous knowledge. Then come to this. So these two angles are equal. So angle POM equal to 2 times ORP. Okay. And similarly you can get QOM in the second triangles, that is triangle ROQ. So thus it has been done. So adding the both equations, POM and QM, both angles, you would get angle POQ. POM and QM collectively construct angle POQ. Okay, so thus your proof has been done. Okay, angle POQ is twice of angle PRQ. POQ is twice of PRQ. So I hope you understood it. So see the description again. I'm sending it in picture format.